It is a riddle that traps so many people who are just starting their financial lives. You need a credit history to get a credit card, but you need a credit card to build that very same history. This is often called the credit paradox. It can feel like standing in front of a heavy locked door with no key in sight. You know that on the other side of that door is the ability to get better rates on loans, secure an apartment without a massive deposit, and get a cell phone plan without hassle. Yet the path to opening it seems impossible when everyone asks for a history you simply do not have yet. It's a frustrating cycle that can make you feel stuck before you even begin. This feeling is common. It affects college students, new immigrants, and anyone starting from scratch. The good news is that this door is not permanently locked. There are specific keys designed just for this situation. Today, we are going to look closely at 5 of these keys. 5 starter credit cards designed for people with no credit history. We will walk through each option step by step with clear pros and cons, plain fees and rewards, and zero jargon, so you can feel confident about your next move. By the end, the credit paradox will feel solvable, and you will see a clear path toward a strong, healthy financial future. Before we look at specific cards, it is important to understand the 2 main types you will encounter as a beginner. The first, and most common for those starting out, is the secured credit card. Think of it like a security deposit you might pay for an apartment. With a secured card, you provide a refundable cash deposit to the bank. This deposit typically becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $200, your limit will be $200. This reduces the bank's risk, which is why they are so willing to approve applicants with no credit history. The second type is the unsecured credit card, the standard card most people imagine. Unsecured cards do not require any deposit. Instead, banks look at income, employment, and sometimes your banking relationship. Some newer cards even use your bank account activity, your cash flow, to decide. Because there's no deposit, approval can be slightly harder with zero history, but not impossible. Now, the most important rule for any beginner: always prioritize cards with no annual fee. When you are just learning to manage credit, the last thing you need is an extra cost just for holding the card. An annual fee charges you every year, whether you use the card or not. Choosing a no-fee card lets you keep the account open for years, boosting your score's length of credit history with no recurring cost. Think of a no-fee card as a free tool for learning. Practice good habits like paying on time and in full each month, without any penalty. Your focus should be building positive payment history and responsible use. Paying a fee to do this is unnecessary, especially with excellent $0 annual fee starters. Every card we discuss today follows this crucial rule, ensuring you can start your credit journey on the right foot with no extra costs to worry about. Our first card is widely considered the gold standard for beginners, the Discover It Secured card. It's a secured card, so you provide a refundable deposit, as low as $200, which sets your initial credit limit. Discover reports your payment activity to all 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, building a complete profile. First, the Cashback program. 2% at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, and 1% back on everything else. Even better, Cashback Match. At the end of your first year, Discover matches all the cash back you earned, doubling your year 1 rewards. Another standout, a path to graduation. After as few as 7 months, Discover starts automatic reviews. On-time payments may graduate you to an unsecured card, and your deposit is refunded. Pros: Cashback plus first-year match, reports to all 3 bureaus, and an automated graduation path. Cons: it requires a security deposit and the APR is high if you carry a balance, so pay in full. Ideal for students and beginners who want rewards and a straightforward upgrade path. Closing: it's a strong contender. Next on our list, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. It's straightforward and focused on building or rebuilding credit. It's a secured card with a refundable deposit. A key feature is a potentially lower initial deposit. Depending on your profile, you may be approved with a deposit of $49, $99, or $200 for a $200 starting limit. Capital One automatically reviews your account in as few as 6 months. Manage it well, and you may get a higher credit line without another deposit. A major benefit: $0 annual fee. Pros: no annual fee, potential low deposit, simple path to a higher limit. Cons: no rewards program, and it still requires a deposit. Best for those who want a clean, no-frills tool to build credit and potentially raise their limit quickly. Now we move into unsecured cards with our third option, the Chase Freedom Rise. Because it's unsecured, you do not need a security deposit, but approval depends on other factors. Chase says your approval odds can increase if you have a Chase checking account with at least $250. It offers a flat 1.5% cashback on every purchase. No rotating categories, no caps. It has a $0 annual fee. Plus, a $25 statement credit for enrolling in autopay within the first 3 months. A great habit starter. Pros: unsecured, no deposit, 1.5% cash back on everything, no annual fee, stronger odds if you bank with Chase. Cons: can be harder to get approved with zero history. You'll likely need proof of income. Best for those who bank with Chase or will open an account and want simple, rewarding, unsecured credit to start their journey. Our fourth card, the Petal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card, takes a fintech-style approach. It helps people who are credit invisible. Instead of relying only on traditional scores, Petal analyzes your banking history to create a cash score. They look at your income, deposit consistency, spending habits, and saving habits, approving many denied elsewhere. Biggest selling point: no fees, no annual fee, no late fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no over-the-limit fees. Rewards that encourage good habits. Start at 1% cash back. After 6 on-time payments, 1.25%. After 12, 1.5% back. Pros: unsecured with innovative approval. No fees. Rewards that grow with responsible use. Con: approval isn't guaranteed. You need consistent bank deposits and solid habits. Ideal for those with steady income and good banking behavior, but no traditional credit file. Our final option is the Chime Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card, one of the safest, most foolproof ways to start building credit. To get it, you need a Chime checking account and a qualifying direct deposit. It's secured, but instead of a one-time deposit, you move money from checking into the secured account. That becomes your spending limit. There's no hard credit check, no annual fee, and no interest. You can't spend more than what you've moved over. At month end, Chime automatically pays the balance in full, preventing debt and interest, while building positive payment history that's reported to TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Pros: no hard pull, no annual fee, no interest ever. Designed to create positive payment history automatically. Cons: you must be a Chime customer with direct deposit, and you can't spend beyond the cash you load. Ideal for anyone nervous about denials or debt who wants the lowest risk path to start building credit. We have covered 5 excellent starter cards, each with its own strengths. Now, which one is right for you? Choose based on your finances and comfort with credit. For most beginners who want a well-rounded experience, the Discover It Secured is likely the best overall pick. Easy approval structure, strong rewards, and a clear graduation path. If you're nervous about a hard check or denial, the Chime Credit Builder is your safest bet. No hard pull, no interest, and automatic on-time payments. Have steady income but no credit file? Petal 2 uses cash flow and charges no fees, a strong alternative. Bank with Chase or Plan 2? Freedom Rise offers simple, unlimited 1.5% cash back with no annual fee. Want no frills and a potential quick limit increase? Capital One Platinum Secured is a solid, straightforward option. No matter which card you choose, the rules for success are the same. First, always pay your bill in full every month. Second, always pay on time. Even one late payment can significantly damage a new credit score. Third, use your card for small, regular purchases. like gas or a streaming subscription, and keep your balance low. A good rule of thumb: use less than 30% of your limit. Finally, keep your account open for the long term. Age of accounts helps your score. Here at CardVantage, we upload new financial strategies every Thursday to help you navigate your financial journey. Your first card is more than plastic. It's a tool. Start small. Pick the card that fits and use it responsibly. Pay it off every month and watch your credit score grow. The credit paradox is just a door waiting for the right key. Now, you have 5 of them. Subscribe for more tips and take that first confident step.